Hi guys, this is your girl, the Glam Girl Megha. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to review few eyeshadow palettes for you, as the request was on last video to review the eyeshadow palette. So I'm not going to show you the base makeup today. However, I'll just focus only on eye makeup. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to start my base makeup with a primer. This is the NYX primer. Next I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and it's in the shade 330. I'm going to just take 2 pumps. I'm going to use my PAC foundation brush. Good. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and that's in the shade Caramel. I'm going to apply it in my inner corners. I'm going to blend it. I'm going to powder my face with Maybelline Fit Me compact powder, and that's also in the shade 330. Using this brush, I will just dust it only on the areas where I've applied the concealer. That's it. So guys, I'm going to use this 3 palettes from Nicka K. The name of this palette is Under the Sea. The second one is Lucky Charm, and the third one is Ocean Eyes. Okay, so I'm going to use these 3 palettes, and I'm going to get the camera a little closer to you. That will be focusing only on my eyes. Okay.
Now I'm going to place a Celto close to my eyes before creating the eyeshadow look. This will give a very beautiful look.
Nice palette from Nicka K. I'm going to use this shade, light blue shade, all over the lid. From this palette from Lucky Charm, I'm going to use the shade, brown shade, in my crease, so that I'll give a little depth just on the edges. Just focusing on the edges. I'm going to use this palette because in this 3 palettes there is no black shade, so I'm going to use the palette from the Balm. I'll mention everything in the description box. Do check that out. So I'm going to use the shade black in the crease area just to give a depth. Just I'll focus it on the end. With this concealer and with a flat brush, I'm going to do a cut crease method. I'll just scoop out the concealer on my hand. And I'm using a flat brush. Coat the concealer on the brush. I'm going to start it from here. Okay. And I'm going to cover it till half of my eyeball. Okay. So you can see that I've cleaned the area with the help of the concealer. So with this palette, I'm going to use this shade, this dark blue color. I'm going to use my finger because this is the best way to apply a shimmer shade. Swirl it and start applying it. So from this palette from Lucky Charm, I'm going to use this shade and clean this area. Okay. With the help help of the fingers again I'm going to use this shade and swirl it, and again I'm going to dab it on this. With the help of the eyeliner, this is the Lakme Absolute Shine Line. I'm going to draw eyeliner, a very thin eyeliner, very close to my lash line. Very thin eyeliner, okay? You can check this. It's very thin eyeliner. And using this shade, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. Can you see that? I'm just going to highlight this area. With this palette, I'm going to use this shade and this shade and apply it on my lower lash line. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. I'm going to apply a few coats of this on the upper lashes and on the lower lashes as well. I'm going to use the L18 Eye Drama Kajal pencil on my lower lash line. So last is applying a lipstick which is left now. I'm going to use MAC, and that's in the shade Diva. I'm just going to dab it. Let's keep the focus on the eyes, and I'm going to apply a very light lipstick. I'm going to use the NYX matte setting spray and just spritz it on my face and let it dry. I'll just remove this tape very slowly. And using a compact, I'll just apply it wherever I had applied the tape. I hope you can see the eye makeup. So I have used almost all the three palettes. I've used one shade from here, one shade from here, but the maximum shades I've used is this. So what is my thought on this palette? I just love this palette, the most affordable palette, only for 350 rupees. Yes, the shades are buildable. In one swipe you're not going to get the shades. You will have to build up, okay? You will have to wet the brush and use the shimmer shades. However, this is the best investment if you are a new makeup, if you are learning makeup, if you are a beginner, definitely give it a try. So guys, hope you like this video. So do give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. This is your girl signing off, the Glam Girl Makeup. Bye bye.